Hi, I'm Marquise Russell. I teach biology, AP Environmental Science, and regular environmental sciences here in Beachwood High School. And this is my first year in the building, but I've been a teacher in the US for 18 years. I used to work as an exchange teacher, so I've taught in the Philippines, where I'm from, then Singapore and Japan. I met my husband in North Carolina, and he's from this area, and now I'm here in Beachwood. So Beachwood has always offered the AP, the Advanced Placement, Environmental Science, but they wanted to make sure they open up the opportunities for other students.
Yeah, those are polymers.
From my research last summer, I found out Beachwood is in a very special place in terms of the watershed area. So we are a headway of 6 watersheds. Everything we do here impacts what happens in other cities because we're in a high place. And that itself made me realize I need to reach out to people in the neighborhood, to the city, because again, we're in a very special place in terms of location.
My name's Chris Vild, and I am the environmental manager for the Beachwood Public Works Department.
And he gives a walk through Beachwood Park every fall. So I signed up for that. And then I started asking him questions. And are you able to do this for my environmental science classes? Because he has the knowledge of where everything goes in terms of waterways, identification of trees in the area. And I was so glad that he was so open to the idea. So that's where we started collaborating.
So I said yes, and we did the same thing. The kids went to the park, and I told them about the history of the park and all the watersheds we're in, and then they had apps on their phone, and they had to go out into the park and identify native and invasive species. So after that, I thought, well, this is going pretty well. So I approached her about doing the Tree Campus K-12 program.
Because Beachwood is a tree city, it's already a certified tree city.
And we realized there isn't a single school in Cuyahoga County that has that designation right now.
Let's just do it, let's try it, So it entails 4 goals, like create a committee, design lesson plans, document all the activities you do for your students. Then the main heart of the Tree Campus certification is to have a tree planting activity.
That's the last activity we need to qualify for Tree Campus K-12. Once we're done today, then we'll submit our application to the National Arbor Day Foundation.
Part of environmental science is the action part.
I picked a little tree here in Beachwood, and I used a little tree benefit calculator with the species and like how big my tree is, and essentially it says $630 and $59. Oh wait, no, $630.59 right here, and that's basically means I saved the world $630.59 with the tree, and I tagged it. The little leaf linden is the species of my tree.
My plan is eventually have my students go to the different buildings and establish something similar. So our buildings in the district will also be Tree Campus certified. From the beginning, we had the support of the administration.
It's really been a wonderful experience between Marquisa, Neil Bennett, the facilities manager, Paul, the school principal, superintendent, Dr. Hardis, Ken Dion. We asked the PTO to be part of it, so they're on the team, and then the kids in Marquisa's classes.
I feel so honored to work in a community where everyone will help a child learn and appreciate what they have. And the fact that we have the full support from the administration, from the Beachwood PTO, and our students show excitement about what we're doing. I'm glad to be part of this village.